I hope you're doing great, and this is Shivani here, and today we're going to talk about a very important topic, and which is that we have a lot of products around us but we do not exactly know how to use them, and one of them is castor oil. So every time when you Google up that how do I take care of my skin or how do I take care of my hair, you would have at times read about castor oil, but at the end of the day we do not know that how are we going to utilize it in a better way. So today I'm going to tell you guys the 7 benefits of castor oil, and we're going to talk about it, and we're going to know that how could I or we use it for the benefit of the skin and our hair. But before that, if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed me yet, then please do by clicking on the subscribe button down below. And a very important thing, that do not forget to turn on the notification bell, because this helps you to know that when do I post my videos. So just stay updated. Now let's start with the video. Now before I delve any deeper into the 7 benefits of using castor oil, we should know the facts regarding castor oil. So first thing, that castor oil is actually obtained by extracting it from the seeds of a plant which is Ricinus communis. So this is really difficult to remember, but in a straight way it is actually extracted from castor seeds, and then it is cold pressed and we have our very own castor oil. Now castor oil is sticky and thick in texture, and you could actually find it either colorless or in pale yellow color. The cold pressed castor oil is obtained by directly extracting it from the castor seeds without any heating. Now cold pressing ensures that there is no degradation of the nutrients which is present in the castor seeds. So therefore it is purely organic and beneficial for skin. So for today's video I would be using the MamaEarth Castor Oil, and I would like to thank MamaEarth for giving me an opportunity to use the product and letting me tell my viewers and audience about it. So yeah, so this one is 100% cold pressed oil, and it is purely natural, so it is purely extracted from the castor seeds like I told you before. And now we're going to learn about the benefits if you're able to say it. So the first usage of castor oil is moisturization. So you can use it for effective moisturization, and I would say a very hydrating one, because in winters our skin gets dry and it actually produces this white lines onto our skin, and most of us have this thing. So we can use castor oil to cure that, and we could also use castor oil to work onto our nails. So my nails actually get very brittle and they break off, and my cuticles actually, you know that the cuticles, the skin around our cuticles actually breaks off and then it bleeds and it hurts. So the best way to cure that is to moisturize. But as we know guys, castor oil is very sticky, so what do we do about it? So what I do is, I first of all take a drop of castor oil. So I do not use a lot of it, I just take a drop of it so that it's not overdone. And then what I do is I take a pump of moisturizer with it. There you go. And then I mix both of them up, so this becomes ultra hydrating and moisturizing for my skin, and then I put it off onto my skin. So this way I stay away from the stickiness of castor oil while hydrating my skin effectively. Now the usage number 2 for castor oil is to treat the puffiness of eyes and the swelling or any kind of redness around your face. So most of us develop swelling when a pimple is about to come, or we develop redness when a pimple is about to come, and it looks kind of weird. Now it's okay, because this is a skin problem, but still at the end of the day we kind of feel conscious about it. So what to do about that, and for our baggy eyes as well. So what I do is, basically girls, I follow all of this routine at night, because that's the best time to do good to your skin. Your skin is getting time to rest and work upon it. So again, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a drop of castor oil, because it's sticky and thick. I've told you repeatedly a lot of times. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take just a drop of it onto my fingertip, and then I'm going to rub it a bit and I will just put it below my eyes because that is a place which gets puffy, and mostly happens when you have irregular sleep patterns. So maybe you're sleeping too much or maybe you're sleeping too less. So that way you need to do something about it. So just work it upon. So I'm just gonna push it right here and right here. So this way I would be massaging this area, so there would be a lot of blood circulation that would happen, besides making the skin firmer and shinier. So I've got some castor oil still left onto my fingertips from applying it around my eyes. So what you need to do is just apply it onto your lips. Yeah. So I think this is one thing that most of us know, that castor oil is perfect for our dry lips, because in winters, and for me even in summers, my lips get chappy and dry, and it's a really pathetic scene because at times I'm just peeling off my lips from skin of my lips from my teeth, and it looks really bad, and at times they bleed as well. So I just want to ensure my lips are hydrated enough and they have a lot of moisture. Now let's quickly move on to the fourth benefit of using castor oil. Now castor oil is actually made up of ricinoleic acid, so which actually constitutes 90% of it, and omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids. Now all of them together penetrate into our hair shafts and the roots, and therefore they nourish it, and actually they stimulate hair growth while also replenishing the health of the hair, which means that we could have thicker hair and faster hair growth if we use castor oil for our hair care routine. Now one thing guys, as I've already told, it is a very thick oil, so what you need to do is you can mix it with coconut oil or almond oil and then just massage it very calmly onto your hair scalp, and then you would see a visible difference in about a month or so. Now I've been using castor oil today all over my face, and one benefit that I never ever knew was that it could actually stimulate the growth of eyebrows and our eyelashes. So I'm a big fan of those very long eyelashes because you can bat your eyelashes and there you go, magic happens. So what you need to do is, again, you have to take just a drop of it, not much of it. No, you don't have to take a lot of it, and then you have to just massage it onto your fingertips and then go over your eyebrows. Yeah. There you go. And I'm going to also apply it onto my eyelashes. Let's move on to the next benefit of using castor oil, which is if you keep on using castor oil for a hair care routine, then it also works on your dandruff. So ages ago I had a lot of dandruff issues, but thankfully I do not have it now. But if you're suffering from something like that right now, what you can do is you can start using castor oil for that purpose and save your hair from dandruff. And lastly, you can use castor oil onto your face as well. So if you have oily skin, I know you will actually shrug away from it, but in case you have dry skin, very dry skin, in that case you can use castor oil, but remember you have to use it in very minute quantity and always use it at night. So it's best to use castor oil in your night skincare routine because that way it is going to serve you the best. Well, this was it guys, and I hope you would have loved knowing about 7 ways in which you could use castor oil for the benefit of your skin and hair. And if you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up because that's a lot of encouragement, and do comment below if you know any other way of using castor oil which could be very beneficial to our skin slash hair slash nails. So spread the word to the community. Yeah, that's it, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye!